Hi, I'm Ruthie Dahle and welcome to my channel and welcome to Makeup Wednesdays. This week I'm doing a random color makeup, and by the title and by my makeup that I'm currently wearing, you probably know it's black. And if you want to know how I achieved this makeup look, then keep on watching. So today we are doing random colored makeup, and so I need to shake up my jar to see what kind of color I will be getting. And I'm wearing pink, which is why I'm hoping for pink, but let's see what we have here. Black. Oh my gosh, we're doing black. So dark, and I'm wearing such feminine girly clothes today. Oh my gosh. Okay, so while I was going through my makeup, which didn't take that long because I know I don't have a lot of black, so I know where to look for it. So I have one color that is black, but then I have another one that is like a charcoal gray, and I think if I can use, because it's a really dark charcoal gray, if you look at this color right here, I think it can pass as in the black category instead of a gray one. Whenever I think about gray makeup, I think about like light gray, medium gray. I never go for a dark gray for a gray makeup look because I think it's too close to black. But I think for this, it might work. If some of you think I'm cheating, I'm sorry, but these are the two colors that I have, so those are the ones I'm going to be working with. Because it's black, I want to make it not messy, but I don't want it structured, so I'm not doing eyeliner, at least not a winged eyeliner. I'm just going to keep it like more smoky, more just eyeshadow rather, because black in itself is quite a heavy makeup. And yes, you can do it with eyeliner if that's what you want to do. There are two colors I'm going to be working with, which also means two different color palettes. So I'm going to be working with the Essence eyeshadow palette by Merve, and I'm using the Makeup Revolution's Constellation palette. Now, if you don't have any of these palettes, you can just go ahead and use a charcoal, dark gray, and black. That's basically what we're going to be doing. So I'm going to be using the color Cluster that is right here, and I'm taking a flat brush like this one, and I'm putting that on the inner corners of my eye, bringing it out almost to the edge of my eye. This is where I want to mainly focus the black, bringing it up into my crease. So yes, it's quite a simple makeup, but because we're doing different colors than I usually do, it's going to be a different makeup look anyway. Okay, we are not bringing the makeup down, we're keeping everything up on top. And then I want to go in with Essence eyeshadow palette by Merve, and I'm taking this black color right here. And at first I'm using this same flat brush as before because I want to create a shape. Then I want to still be using black, but I'm switching to a round brush like this one, just so that I can fill this in a lot easier. And then I want to go in with my Essence Eye Blender brush that looks like this, and I just want to blend very softly. Now you just want to clean up the edges because you want a sharper edge, especially on the lower side. You can go in with concealer or setting powder. I'm using setting powder. Now that that is done, I want to go in and put on mascara. So first I'm going to be curling my lashes. Then I'm going to go ahead and put on mascara. So I'm using the Colossal by Maybelline that looks like that. And I'm only putting mascara on my upper lashes. Now, because of the way my eyes are shaped, or specifically my eyelids, how they are, I want to go ahead and use a eyeliner pencil that looks like this on the waterline of my upper lashes, just because I know I can see skin color right here, and I don't think that's gonna go well with this look. Then I want to finish off by putting on some setting spray, and I'm using Sport Fix by Makeup Revolution that looks like this. So this is the finished look. This is what it looks like, and I kind of like it, to be honest. That is all I have for you today, and if you liked the video, leave a like and a comment down below. And if you want more content like this, then hit the subscribe button and the notification bell, and you will be notified when I upload a video. I upload my Makeup Wednesday videos every Wednesday at 7 o'clock Norwegian time, which makes it about 2 o'clock New York time. And with that, I want to say thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye!